Hello, roommate families and students. I want to thank you for joining me in this online tutorial where I talk about how to make sure your child is getting their work done. So I know this is our biggest challenge. I have two school-aged kids as well, so let's make sure we know how to do this. So just to start each day, I want to make sure you're all clear. We should get a message from myself on Remind. I think most of us are on there. Looks something like this. And a little quick message, a YouTube link so you can watch a video. I know I've had some families say that they're doing that. Followed by a picture or screenshot of today's assignments, just so you know exactly what to be looking for. So you can see here today we had our morning routine. We had ELA, which is our reading, and it tells us exactly what page we're doing and how we have to read the article and complete the Google Doc. Spelling City, take a pretest, math, iReady lesson, social studies. Read these pages, complete the Google Doc. So again, these are going to be different from day to day, but I do want to encourage you to make sure you are clicking on these and reading them, okay? All right, so I'm going to encourage you to have your child go onto their Google Classroom. Feel free to watch them do it and look at things with them. I have announcements up top real quick. Again, if you need ever to get a hold of me and you can't remember what my information is, there is a link right here. I updated it with everything kind of all in one spot. So it has my phone number, my email, our Remind, and all of our meeting times. Okay, so this is the one we want to focus on. Whole class meetings on Tuesdays and Fridays from 11 to 12. Okay, so that's there for you. Basically, their Google Classroom kind of walks them through the day. First, they should do morning routine, English language arts, math, science or social studies, and if they don't have science or social studies, they have writing. It's all the way at the bottom. Let's see right here, okay? So how do you know if your child is doing their work? That's what this video is about. Okay, do you see how this is green? When your child turns it in, it turns gray. Yay, cool, okay. So you can click on here and it will have, again, morning routine. This is the most important one, and it lays out the day and what they should be doing. They can click on their assignment. Once they click on their assignment, this is what our morning routine looks like. And so they are supposed to write down their quote. And so parents, you can actually look at this, and I encourage you to. And up in the top right corner, you cannot see it, but there's a gray button that says turn in. Even if they've turned it in, you can still click on it to look at it. Okay, so, or you can at least see that they have turned it in, okay? Really quick, so for ELA, if we go on to, every child has their own Clever account. And so when they log onto here, they have things like their Google Classroom and Benchmark and iReady. These are things we're going to be using every day or weekly. So on Benchmark, if they click on here, it will open up, and if they kind of toggle through to Unit 1, which is what we're working on right now, they can open up our Unit 1 book. Oh, I already have it open. Which is this one right here, and they can read it up at the top. If they press play, it'll read it to them, and they can use that. They'll probably have to toggle back and forth if they have an assignment. So their assignment would be a document like this, so they might have to go back and forth between reading and answering. Okay. But again, when they are finished with an assignment and they have turned it in, it turns from green to gray. Okay, so that's another thing you can check. Math, again, now once they've clicked on a material, materials are different than assignments. You can see this is a material. It looks different than this clipboard. Once they've clicked on the material, that means it's been read. They didn't have anything to turn in. So here it just kind of talks about iReady. Again, they'll get to that through Clever, so they'll click on iReady. It will log them in. And then parents, this is super important. They have both math and reading assignments every week on here. So if they go on to math, it'll show what their current assignments are. And then up right above that, it says current or past due. If you click past due, it'll show any kind of past due assignments that they had, okay? And then up in the top left, I don't have the full screen, I'm sorry, but that you can switch back and forth to reading. Also, my progress, super important, parents. You can see how long they have spent on their assignment. It'll show it right here, how many minutes, and then the lessons that they have passed. Okay, so they don't have to pass every lesson, but we are hoping that, or I'm hoping that they do. Okay, and then if you're curious too, there's a button right here, completed work, and it'll show you the what has been completed, so you can check on it that way. Okay, so this to-do is important, and the My Progress is important for checking your work for both math and reading. Okay, finally, if we do go back to today, you know, we had all these different subjects, and then Spelling City. Students should know how to get on Spelling City, but if not, it is on, oh, I thought it was on our Google Classroom. You know what, even if it's not, I'm pretty sure that if you just type in, oh, look at right here, I have it all linked on mine, but they can just log in. I would log in as an administrator, but they're going to log in as a student. They're going to sign in with Google, and then they have some assignments on there as well. And in fact, I even linked it on our Google Classroom. Right here, you can see that these are this week's activities that they're supposed to do on Spelling City, and then I have that their list, so oops, that they can see those words as well. Okay, I hope that explains things a little bit better. I know every classroom is different, every teacher is different. I want you to know that I'm doing my best, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, you know, we're all just doing our best, and I want to make sure that I'm helping support you, helping support your child. If you need to get a hold of me, again, here's my phone number, here's my email. Please, like, there is no silly question. I would love to help you, and you know, I don't expect students to always do 100% of everything, but I do want to reward those students who do. And you know, I'm looking for improvements every week, and that everyone's just doing their best. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to message me or reach out. So thank you very much.